हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और मैं आज फिर से आपके सामने हाजिर हूँ एक नए आर्टिकल के साथ। तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का ये आर्टिकल। टैप इट फॉर इंडिया। Puri's tap water is safe to drink. When will the rest of the country get there? Well done, Puri. Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik has declared it to be the first Indian city to get 24/7 safe drinking water on tap. Think about this. Rest of India? It's 2021. But piped water isn't universally available, and tap water isn't potable in most of the country. The result of this failure is a public health scandal. As Nitin Ayog's 2019 Composite Water Management Index noted, India's per person disease burden due to unsafe water and sanitation is 12 times higher than Sri Lanka's and 40 times higher than China's. Waterborne disease like diarrhea are a leading killer here. What is promising though is that supply of drinking water has finally become a political priority. Other than state governments like BJP in Odisha and AAP in Delhi, it is being pursued by the centre in mission mode since 2019, when the Jal Shakti Ministry was formed. Some states have seen major progress. In Bihar, households with tap connections have swelled from around 2% to 86%. Water Minister G.S. Shekhawat says three states with the worst number that worry him are UP, West Bengal, and Rajasthan. Performance here need to be pulled up, not only for that jump in GDP that drinking water availability promises, but to protect millions from completely preventable diseases. Installing pipes is only one part of the challenge of supplying safe drinking water. In Odisha, for example, attention is paid not just to surface water but also groundwater, checking whether the source is a health hazard and calls for purification. Just because it looks clean doesn't mean it's safe. In Puri, the government says it will ensure stringent quality control. Reliable and real time monitoring of water quality is as important as its supply. That's how people will trust the tap water enough to drink directly from it.